Guys, Bitcoin is right now going absolutely crazy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly what is going to happen next for Bitcoin. Because literally right now we are trading, we just touched $42,000, and this is just exactly like I was telling you guys. Literally what you right now can do is go to my last video here 3 days ago. Bitcoin was trading at $36,000 when I made that video, and I was literally telling you guys that I was expecting Bitcoin to go to $42,000 this freaking week, and nobody was believing me. I was also telling you guys this over from Telegram, nobody was believing me, but yeah guys, it literally just happened. And Bitcoin is going crazy, and everyone is right now asking me, oh my god, what is happening next, because you predicted everything right. Well, this is exactly what I think is going to happen next. Because if we look right now at this chart, these are the most important levels of support and resistance. As you guys can see, we can see right here at $42,000 we have a shitload of resistance, and we just touched that level. If we literally right now head into the 5-minute chart to just see what happened in the last couple of minutes, we can literally right now see that we perfectly touched $42,000, but we immediately saw 1% rejection from our $42,000, and it looks like that we are maybe even breaking this little upwards trend we have been creating here for the last like 14 hours right now. It's absolutely freaking crazy. However, this does mean that literally Bitcoin is right now extremely crazy, running to the into resistance, which is maybe not that big of an which is just not really nice to see for Bitcoin, because obviously we have seen some massive areas of resistance already being broken. However, Bitcoin right now here at $42,000 is at one of the biggest areas of resistance we have seen since $38,000. We can see that this is quite big resistance and support, meaning that it will be quite hard for Bitcoin to break through this level. And the question is going to be, is that even going to happen within the next couple of days? Well, the answer in my opinion is no. And yes guys, I'm right now not trying to turn anyone bearish or anything. However, Bitcoin has been going up so crazy right now that at some point it does need to see somewhat of a red candle in order to just cool down. I'm not even saying that we're going to 30k again in the next couple of days. I'm literally just saying you guys that there is a big chance that we are just simply going to range a little bit here at around $42,000. And that's also exactly what I was telling you guys in my video from 3 days ago. I was literally telling you guys right here that I was most likely expecting Bitcoin to reach $42,000 as soon as possible. And we're just going to slowly consolidate around that level, and then just once we see that ETF approval, which is literally only about 40 days away, it's crazy. Literally between the 5th of January and the 10th of January is our last deadline. So yeah guys, that is most likely when we are going to see a Bitcoin spot ETF approval, meaning that there is a really big chance that we are simply going to slowly just consolidate for where we're at right now, $42,000. It might get a little bit boring. Then we're going to get one last dip to 38k. Why 38k? Well, there's massive areas of support right there, but also a lot of liquidations are laying there for longs, meaning that if we just want to take some liquidity from off this chart, we can see that here above us there's simply no liquidity. However, under us there's a lot of liquidations laying, meaning that once we reach that level we are most likely to bounce up really quickly again, and that's why I think it's going to happen. Obviously we broke out of this crazy pattern right here, and I was literally telling you guys about this pattern right here in my last video. I was literally saying to you guys right here that if we break out, you want to simply open a long position, because we are most likely going to do $42,000, and guess what literally happened? We broke to $42,000. Furthermore, for Bitcoin is right now going exponentially. As you guys can see, we are just continuing to create higher and higher highs, which is of course extremely bullish, but at some point there's just no way we can just keep this stairway up, and at some point we have to see somewhat of a breakdown, and that's why I think the time for that is literally right now. The second I'm making this video, I think we are not going to reach $42,000 again for the next couple of days. Once we get that spot Bitcoin ETF approval, we are going to burst through $42,000 like it's nothing, and we are going to reach 45k. However, that is still going to take a little bit of time, because we still have 40 days for that spot ETF. And also guys, if we just simply look at this chart right here on the 1 week, we can literally see that we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our 8th green candle in a row on the 1 week chart. We have literally never in the history of Bitcoin, since Bitcoin is created, we have never seen more than 8 green candles in a row. Literally, if we right now go to the USD chart, right here, we can literally see that this has never happened. You can go back in time, we can literally see right here we had 7, and then we have always seen a red candle, meaning there's a big chance that we are also going to see that right now, because we are breaking records already for Bitcoin. It's going crazy, but I don't want anyone to FOMO in right now. Yesterday evening over on my Telegram channel, I was literally telling you guys that 42k was going within the next 12 hours, and you were free to FOMO in right there. I even FOMOed in myself. However, now is not the time to get in, because we are just right now at such a crazy level that, in my opinion, the top is right now a little bit in. Of course, it's not going to be a top like this. However, it's going to be somewhat of a top like this. It's just going to be a higher high over on the 1 week time frame. However, it could still drop like 5%, so I will be a little bit cautious. And guys, right now, that's basically all we have for you guys right now. However, one more important thing. Binance and Gate.io and mmcrypto are currently under fire for some allegations. And they have big influencers, and of course Binance, we all know what's happening. So if you want to switch to an extremely safe exchange, I would recommend Bybit. If you go to the link in my description, you literally can get free money by signing up using my link. It's my affiliate link, but if you use my link, it's free money. So yeah guys, that being said, that's literally all I have for you guys right now. Bitcoin is just, it was crazy the last few days. And yeah guys, I hope you just made money, but right now it is the time for a little bit to cool off. Of course, we are also on Monday right now, meaning we are creating somewhat of a Monday low and high, which is going to be extremely important for the rest of the week. So yeah guys, that being said, I would really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And that being said guys, I hope I will see you in the next YouTube crypto video.